Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. It is truly appreciated with every ounce of me. I am super happy today. We are doing our Jeffree Star Deluxe Summer Mystery Box. I did my mini one yesterday. Super excited about that. I did get a repeat shade and it's okay. It's a shade that I like, and I also got a shade that was a little, I mean, it's not, to me, it's not wearable on the lips, but it is definitely something that I will use as an eyeshadow or an eyeliner because they are eye safe. However, super excited to get this. It did, I have received all three of the boxes, so the Valentine's Day one, the very first one he did, and now this summer one. I have not been disappointed. I mean, for the price, it is, I think, a fantastic deal. Even the mini box that I did yesterday, I thought that was fantastic for $20 because one of the lipsticks alone is $18, and you got two of them and the pop socket. So this was a $70 box, and I believe it was close to a $10 shipping, which isn't bad, and I believe it was 4 days to get to me. I have not watched anybody's deluxe unboxings, and I didn't watch any mystery ones or mini ones until I opened mine because I wanted to see what, you know, I didn't want to see what was in here. So my hopes that's in here is a mirror. I'm hoping there is a mirror. Now I did see that Jeffree had tweeted, somebody said, are we going to get a palette or whatever, and he had some emoji on there, you know, kind of hinting that yes, there would be. And then I seen that on a thumbnail that where are the palettes. So I'm not really expecting a palette. It would be fantastic if the mini breaker was in here, but that's not going to happen. I do know that there is some kind of apparel because they did ask your size. And other than that, I kind of hope there's a lip scrub in here because I've always been wanting to try them. So my high hopes would be a mirror and a lip scrub. So this intro is long enough, and I'm ready to get into this box, and I'm sure you guys are ready to see what's in it. So let's go ahead and do that. It has been here all day. I've been waiting to film. So I had a doctor's appointment that I had to go to earlier. So that stopped me from filming, at least until now. So the anticipation has been building. And I have been wanting, like I said, to watch other people's videos, but I did not. Okay, so I finally have the tape off, I think. You know, I have problems opening these every time, and I end up ripping the box, and I don't want to rip the box because it's a cute box, but it looks like, oh, okay, it looks like it's going to open like that. All right, so when you open it up, beautiful orange tissue paper, and then, oh, I'm excited. So, trying to show you my address again. There is a lip scrub in here. Super happy. I hope you did not just see my address again. So, oh, you know what? There's something else in here that I was kind of hoping that might be in here. So let's go ahead and pull that one out first. And it is a reusable straw. And it is in the iconic pink. So I've been looking into trying to get these. I wonder if there's a cleaner. We'll find out. I do need to find like the cleaner for these because I drink from a straw every day, and as most of us do with lipstick on, we drink from straws. It does have the Jeffree Star on there. Super cute. Feels very sturdy. Super excited about that product. All right, I'm going to pull out the apparel product that was in here. And it is a black t-shirt, which I'm super excited, and it's the Jawbreaker line. So let's see. I'm excited. So I'm so happy if you can't tell. So that is what it looks like out of your bag. Open it up. Oh my goodness, you guys. So it has just the star logo on the front, which is awesome. Now I just got hair in my lip gloss. And then on the back, it says, hi, how are you? Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so cute. I'm so happy. It's good quality. Okay, super excited about that. Yay. I was hoping that if we did get apparel that it would be black because that's what I wear a lot of. So, all right, and I'm going to pull out the next item that makes me super happy that I seen, and it is a lip scrub. Let's see, what one is it? Peach Popsicle. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to tell you a little story, just a little one. I have been on this peach kick for the past 2 weeks probably, since it is that time of year where they're actually nice and ripe and they taste good. And I've been picking them up. Of course, a couple go bad all the time. It really makes me mad because if you like dent it and get one spot in it, then it goes bad or whatever. So I went to the store the other day to get peaches and they absolutely had none. I was so mad. I threw a little hissy fit like a little 5-year-old. But I went back to the store yesterday and got some. So that's just kind of ironic that I got a peach lip scrub. So let's open it up. I'm super happy about this. All right. So when you take, oh, it's so cute, you guys. When you take it out of the box, that is what it looks like. Has the stars all on the top and it tells you your flavor. Super cute. And the top of it has the Jeffree Star logo. Love it. Oh, it smells like peach candy. Oh, it's so nice. So I'm going to be dumb, just like everybody else, and I'm going to do a taste test because they say you can eat it. And it tastes just like peach candy. It's so good. I know you're not supposed to eat it, but it tastes like peach candy. That is amazing. Super happy about that item. So the first 3 items I've pulled out, super happy. I want to see what the lipstick is in here that is the special lipstick for this box, but I'm just going to keep pulling things out. I'm not going to go digging. So the next thing is another pop socket. So one of these is going to end up going in my giveaway that I have planned for my next subscriber milestone. So stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if it's going to be this one or it'll be the pink one. I mean, they're both, actually, I think I have 3 of them now. They're cute. I don't use pop sockets. I use eye rings on the back of my phone. So I actually have my case right here. I use these things because I really like them. I think they're great. So anyway, next item I'm going to pull out is a Supreme Frost. I have never tried his Supreme Frosts. And this is in the shade Hypothermia, which is actually a shade that I will use. You guys, I lucked out on the last mystery box for Valentine's Day and got some items that people did not get. And looks like I'm lucking out again. I'm super happy. Oh, it's so pretty. So when you get it out of the package, that is what it looks like. It's so gorgeous. On the back, Supreme Frost Hypothermia. The pan size is amazing. You don't understand it until you actually look at it in your hand. You hear everybody talk about it and how big it actually is. And it's so nice. Now the other ones are bigger, but this is just, it's nice. So you got your Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the top, and that is the highlighter. Oh my gosh. That is one thing that he does right. I have not tried his eyeshadows, but I have tried, you know, his lipsticks and his highlighters and stuff. And the highlighters are amazing. So that, oh my gosh, that is what it looks like. And we're going to do a swatch. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. I hope you can see that. It is so pretty. I'm going to put just a little bit on there. It's so nice. I'm scared to like actually go for it because then it'll mess everything up. This is going to be a Project Pan everyday use item. Super happy about that. Let me know in the comments what ones you guys got and if a highlighter came in every one, because I'm kind of interested to know if I've gotten lucky 2 times in a row to get wearable colors or not. I'm just kind of, I want to know. All right, so that looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things left in the box. So it is a velour liquid lipstick. Oh my gosh, you guys, every color is so good. It is in poinsettia. I don't know how I'm getting such good wearable shades. It's blowing my mind. So you take it out. Oh, it's so pretty. I know I keep saying that about everything, but I'm so happy right now. It is a beautiful Christmas red. Beautiful. So let's swatch that. I actually am wearing the Scandal lipstick, that, not the one I received in yesterday's box, because obviously I am putting that probably away for a giveaway as well because I already have it, but it is my older one that I got from the last mystery box. So this is what it looks like, a doe foot applicator, and it has that kind of curve in it that it hugs your lips. And we are going to do a swatch right here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it's, oh, it's so nice, you guys. So pretty. So there is the swatch of that. That is going to be gorgeous in the wintertime. And that is actually a red that I will wear. Like, I try to stay clear of some reds, but that one is gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous. All right, next item in the box is a lip liner. Now, I have heard mixed reviews about this. I've heard that people say they're horrible, and I have heard that people love them. I've also heard that you need to warm them up in order to get them going. However, I'm going to give it a shot. It is in the shade Dominatrix, so it will be good with any of the darker lipsticks that I decide to wear in the winter time. Again, I'm really happy with this box. I'm absolutely loving it. Okay, let's get it out of the box. And the aesthetic is so cute. The crown is gorgeous, you guys. I love it. Some people say it's like plasticky, childish, toyish, but it's just so cute. And that is what the pencil looks like. And there's your color. So then let's pop it off. Very dark, deep color. Hey, that's not very dry to me. I wonder, I think these are eye safe too. That would be a perfect eyeliner as smooth as that went on. To me, that looks more brown than anything. So I'm going to have to look. Actually, does it say on here that it's eye safe? Long lasting, extreme beauty, matte finish, cruelty free. I don't see where it says it, but I'm going to have to look that up. If you guys know, leave it down in the comments. But that to me would be a great eyeliner. So, a couple more things in the box. Okay, so another, oh my god, oh my gosh. You guys, another velour liquid lipstick in a shade that I will wear. It is in Diva, one of his doggies' names. And it is a beautiful pink. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I'm getting so lucky. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Look at that pretty bubblegum pink. So let's do a swatch of that. The same thing, doe foot applicator. All his lipsticks are like that. Oh my gosh, this is a shade that you can wear in the summer, and you can wear this any time of the year. Look at how it's more like a watermelon kind of pink, but it is gorgeous, guys. This would match. I have lip gloss on, but I don't know. This is going to mess everything up. Probably. But it is so pretty. And if it's too dark for you, you can always go through and do the opposite of what I'm doing and do it lighter color in the middle. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Another wearable, beautiful shade. All right. 2 things left in the box. So we're going to go, I see which one is the shade that is for the box. So we're going to go with this one. Another great shade. And this one is in Mannequin. I don't know if you can see that. More of a nudie shade. Oh my gosh. And if this other one is a wearable shade that, you know, because he said it was a wearable, likable shade, then I don't know why I've gotten so lucky on my boxes, but I'm not complaining. So there is the nude shade Mannequin. Very pretty. This would be awesome to use with that pink or the red and put it in the center. Same doe foot applicator. Oh, this is even prettier than what it looks like in the bottle, you guys. This is more nudie to me than what the bottle looks like. So you set it next to there. To me, this looks a lot lighter than what the swatch does. So that is a beautiful everyday shade. Oh my goodness, you guys. Last item in the box, and it's so cute. It has a little question mark on it. It is in the Jawbreaker box, which is adorable. I love the green. I need a nail polish that color. That is so cool. I would love to find that nail polish color for the rest of this summer. Does it say anything special on here? No, nothing special, just has a little question mark. So let's see what it is. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. And it's just steady question mark. Oh, you can't see it because of the light, but it's called question mark. It is so cute. Look at that shade. Oh my God. This will go with probably anybody's skin tone, you guys. That is gorgeous. I love the summer color. It's so pretty. Let's see. Beautiful. You guys, this is better than Calabasas. And Calabasas is like my favorite Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. Ready for this? Wow. Look at these. How do I get so lucky? Let me know what you guys think or what you guys got. And what you guys think about the liquid lipsticks. I love his liquid lipsticks. I think they're great. As long as you put a lip balm on, I think they're fantastic. They wear all day. They do not get on your teeth. And I love collecting these. I do want to get one of the mini nude, or the volume nudes or whatever they are, mini lips that he's got out for sale. I'm eventually going to do that. But anyway, so to recap, we have 4 wearable liquid lipsticks. We have this liquid line or lip liner that hopefully I can use as an eyeliner. I think I can. We have a beautiful highlighter. Beautiful, beautiful highlighter. The velour lipstick or lip scrub. We have another pop socket. A straw that I actually I'm pretty happy about, because his straws I think come in like a 5-pack and they're super, super expensive. So I'm very happy to receive that. And we've got this awesome black with the neon green shirt. So what do you guys think about the mystery box this time around? I wish I would have got 2 of them. I think the price was fantastic. I think the items in it are fantastic. I am very curious to see what other people received in their boxes and to see if I just seem to get lucky again. So with all that said, let me know what you guys think. And also, don't forget to subscribe, because as soon as I hit that next milestone, I have a huge giveaway that I have been saving for quite some time now. And obviously some of these Jeffree Star products are most likely going into that giveaway. So please, please, please don't forget to subscribe if you do watch my videos. It would very much help, and it will also hurry along that giveaway. So with all that said, I'm going to end this video, and I want to thank you guys so much for coming and watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment about what you think and how the video is, and you know, everything about all the products, and if you guys have them and all that good stuff. I love talking with you guys and communicating with you guys. There are a few of you that I talk to like almost every video that I post, and I truly appreciate you guys commenting and talking with me and sharing things with me. It deeply means the world to me. So you guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day. Bye.